So once we've gathered the energy, started to move some energy through some bouncing or shaking or dancing, then another way we can discharge the energy as well as through movements through the body is through sound. So you might try making different sounds like ha, 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 ha. Another one is shh, shh, shh. This is also a practice from energy medicine to dispel anger. Shh, the shh sound. Shh. And you can also just see what sounds want to come. Like the ah sound is another ah, 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 ah. And you might just try different kind of pitches of the sound. Feel into what feels right in your system. What sounds are authentic are going to help some of that energy move.